How you doing?
Hi, Brady. How you doing? Shall we have a coffee together this morning?
Have what? Cough?
Yeah, a coffee together. What do you think?
I think it's crazy, darling. I don't like to cough. I like coffee. Coffee.
What?
Yeah, coffee.
Is it normal for you to get an invitation to have a coffee? Okay, never mind. Forget the coffee. I can waste my time with someone who doesn't know what contest is. Our conversation would be a waste of time. Not a beach.
Cê não dança sem caô,